Thinking about financing your home project, but nervous about applying or getting approved? Not sure if financing through Slice is legit or even worth it? In this video, we'll answer the top questions that we're asked about financing through Slice so you can feel confident, informed, and in control of your project. You'll learn how it works, who qualifies, and what kind of rates to expect. You'll also learn why it may be better to finance your project now instead of waiting to get it completed later. Hi, I'm Britt, the active sales manager here at Hoel Roofing Remodeling. Today in this video, we want to discuss our financing partner Slice. A lot of our customers choose to use Slice financing due to the fact that they don't want to empty out their personal bank accounts to complete the projects that are necessary, like roofing, siding, gutters, fascia, or soffit on their home. Customers who may not be best suited for financing are customers who prefer to pay everything with cash out of pocket, or maybe customers who can't qualify for it. If you're wanting to apply for financing with Slice, the project manager who's on your file will send you either a link to click or a QR code that you can scan. That'll pull up the application. On this application, you'll put in some basic information about yourself. It'd be your date of birth, your full name, your social security number, your income, and then from that point, it'll move on to a lender's part where they approve or deny it. From applying to getting it approved, it's probably about a 10-minute process. If you're really struggling with the process, our project managers are equipped to help you get this completed. The application process for Slice is completed 100% online, and our project managers are more than equipped to help you figure this out if you're struggling to get it completed yourself. One of the questions we answer the most here at Hoel Roofing about applying for financing with Slice is what kind of credit score is actually needed to do so. So from my experience with it, what I would recommend is to have a 600 or better to apply for the financing with Slice. The reason for that being is that the better your credit score, the higher your chances for approval, and also the better rates that you're going to get on your application. Now 600 is probably the fair, and then once you get 650 and above, it starts getting a little bit better for you. Also, another great reason to apply no matter what is it's a soft credit pull, so even if you're denied or accepted, it's not going to hurt your credit. So when applying with Slice financing through Hoel Roofing, we have three main financing options here. We have a same as cash option that is 12 months, and if you pay it off within the 12-month period, then you won't have to pay interest on the loan. We have a secured loan where you would have to have some type of collateral to put on the loan, and you'll typically get a lower interest rate on that. And then we have an unsecured loan where you don't have to put any collateral. You can complete mostly any project with Slice financing. The projects that wouldn't qualify are going to probably be really small repairs and things like that. As to use Slice financing, the project needs to be above $2,000. For any of our homeowners who are nervous about financing or just the process of getting financed, we try to make it as seamless as possible here at Hoel Roofing. We're there to help you every step of the way. And also, financing is a way of getting your project completed that you need to have completed, in our opinion. So if that roof over your head is leaking and it's going to cause more damage in your home and you don't have the cash right now to float that, we have flexible financing options available for our homeowners that can be paid off early with no prepayment penalties at all. But if the issues that are going on in your home are purely aesthetic and not an emergency issue that's causing further damage to your home, maybe financing isn't the best choice for you, and it would be a better option to just save the money up and then pay for cash whenever you're ready to do that. Financing can feel intimidating, but it's often the key to protecting your home before problems get worse or more expensive. So now you know how Slice financing works, what to expect, and what makes it different from traditional financing or credit cards. If you want to explore your financing options or ask a few questions before applying, feel free to reach out to Hoel Roofing Remodeling at 765-561-4023. We're here to help, no pressure, just clarity.